storms and high winds targeting the Northeast after slamming the Midwest with multiple confirmed tornadoes. During the evening, storms forcing the FAA to evacuate the air traffic control center in charge of all incoming flights in the Chicago area. By daybreak, families in the suburbs surveying the damage.
It was so loud, so scary. It was something I've never heard before.
Just outside Columbus, Ohio, Joe Vidritsky says he and his wife had to be rescued from their bedroom